Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue. Sometimes you might not be getting the verification code on your new phone or existing phone while trying to do the WhatsApp setup. Example, I am going to tab this need help getting a code, verification options. So resend code, I'm going to choose that. So example, if you're getting entering the wrong code, right, you might be getting error. Example, I'm going to put something here. The code you entered is incorrect, please try again. Sometimes it might be telling you to update the code after 24 hours or 1 hour or 2 hours. Again, I'm going to try need help getting code. This time I have only options call me. It says like try again in 1 hour. So you need not to wait, actually we can fix that. So what you need to do is, this is iPhone or Android, you need to clear the cache or you need to uninstall this app. So the best way to uninstall the app, go to settings on your iPhone. Here we need to go to storage. Go to storage. Simply type here storage. So it will be under general. Okay. Storage. iPhone storage. So there is a WhatsApp. So I'm going to clear this. Delete the app. So you need to delete the app. It's deleted. Again, we need to install from App Store. WhatsApp. Reinstall it. Open it. This time you should not be having any issues. So I'm going to enter this phone number. Phone number is right. Sending the code. So wait for some time. Sometimes you might be getting the code immediately. So I have received the code. Resend the code. Going to WhatsApp. So I got the code 955072. So I'm going to close this. 955072. That's it. Now I'm able to successfully pass this verification code. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the issue in your WhatsApp. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.